Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing two of Beetles Polygel kits. These were sent to me by Beetles, but if you've been watching my videos for a while, you know that I've purchased and I enjoy Beetles products. So with that being said, let's get into the unboxing of the kits. The first kit that I will be unboxing is called the Mermaid Polygel Nail Extension Kit, number 69. I will leave the links for everything in the description box below. So the first thing that I really did like about this kit was the instructions. It has instructions on how to use the dual forms, how to do some nail art. So I really appreciated the care that they took in providing the instructions, because a lot of these kits are for people who are doing DIY. The first thing that you get in the kit is the dual forms. You get a stiletto and a regular dual form. You get a 180 grit file, a pair of tweezers. They also sent some gel nail art brushes in addition to this polygel brush. And it's the standard polygel brush that's in, pretty much all of the kits. And you also get a slip solution. So Beetles has been including this slip solution in their kits, and it's the consistency of a base coat. I really like it because I like to do my polygel with base coat. I find it's the easiest way. And then you also get a top and a base coat. You get some mermaid stickers, some glitters, and these embellishments here are shells, stars. There's some rhinestones in there and some micro beads as well. So these are the 6 colors that come in the kit. They are 6 15 milliliter polygel tubes, and these are the colors. That was the Mermaid kit. The second kit is their polygel nail extension kit. It doesn't have a name, it's just 071. So it's pretty much most of the same. The nail tools are the same. The top and base coat and slip solutions the same. You get these stickers. And you get a lot of these Fimos, and then you get some teddy bears, some bows, and then some nail charms as well. So they really did put a lot of thought into the nail art. They also sent a rhinestone glue in this kit as well. And these are the 6 colors that come in the kit. Again, 6 15 milliliter polygel tubes. So I really like the direction Beetles is going with including some nail art in the kits. It does kind of remind me of what Makartt's doing. So these are the colors I'm going to use for the set I'm doing today. I'm going to go in with the base coat. Because I already have Beetles products, I already have a base coat open, so I'm just going to use what I have open if you're wondering why my bottle looks different than what was pictured in the kit. So these nail tips are tips that I use when I want to practice, I want to do a design, and I don't necessarily feel like building out a nail, don't want to do my nails, don't want to use my practice hand. And these tips are also good if you don't actually own a practice hand yet, or you don't want a practice hand. I did mention in one of my videos there are different ways to practice without necessarily having those items. So this is one of the ways that I do practice without my practice hand or doing nails on myself. These tips, I did get them from AliExpress. I'll leave that information in the description box below. But you get 240 pieces for about $3.50. You know, that price may vary, but I think one time they were like $2. I've never paid more than $4. And for these tips, or I've never seen them for more than $4. I did not see these on Amazon. If I do find them on Amazon, I will update the links below, because I know the shipping from AliExpress sometimes can take a while. But I would just order 2 so that you have them for a very long time. So one of the things that you want to make sure that you do is that you secure the nail down firmly on the wall tack that you use, or the stand that you use. You can see earlier I didn't have my nail tip secure and it kept falling off. So just make sure you press that all the way down firmly so that when you're working with the nail, you don't have to you don't do what I do and get polygel all over yourself. So I did just swirl the colors around with a dotting tool, and now I'm going to go in with a slip solution and kind of smooth out the design. I want to make sure my application is as smooth as possible. I am doing encapsulation, but I just want to make sure that it's as smooth as possible. I've really been working on my application, so just use as much slip solution as you need to get that smooth. And this is another thing that I prefer over alcohol, because sometimes alcohol can discolor your polygel. With some of the color polygel or some of the liquid slip solutions can kind of like leave white spots on it. So that's why I like the base coat as well. So I really, really like that they're including the slip solutions in their polygel kits. So on this one, I'm doing an ombre, and I just flash cure between colors so that I don't mess with the placement of that first layer of polygel. So flash cure for about 10 or 15 seconds and then go in with your second color. So if you've seen my community post or my latest Instagram post, I did kind of hint to like, oh, I've been missing for a while. I'm going to talk about it in my upcoming video. So I did want to discuss with you guys just really, really briefly like what's going on. For the next few months, I will not be able to be as active as I normally am. I know lately I've been doing about 2 videos a week, and then I've been kind of gone for about 2 weeks. That's because I am in the process of purchasing a home. And if any of you guys know anything about real estate and the market right now, now is not the best time to be purchasing a home. Homes are selling way above ask. They're getting multiple offers. So it's kind of a bit of a challenging time, but it's a time where I am in the position where I actually need to just go ahead and purchase. Where I'm renting now, the owner is selling the property. So I'm going to be a homeowner very, very soon. Keep me in prayer. So, you know, with my job being a little bit busier now, because if you're in the mortgage industry, you know these are the busier months. And then with me looking for a home, I don't have as much time to spend towards this channel. My main job is my priority, as well as not being homeless. So I'm going to do my very best to upload about once a week or once every week and a half. However, I can't promise that. I will be popping in and out as much as I can, posting on Instagram as well as here as much as I can. I haven't abandoned this channel or anything like that. It's just I really have to spend most of my time looking for a house just because of how competitive the market is right now. So if you don't see any videos from me, just watch some of my old videos. But definitely just wanted to let you guys know what was going on with me. So a little bit of my personal life. But yeah, that's what's been going on. That is what will be going on for the next few months. So my store still will be open. I still will be adhering to my shipping times, which is 3 to 5 business days. That won't change at all. Just the only thing that really will change is just my social media presence and then my presence on YouTube. But like I said, I will do my best to get a video up once a week or once every week and a half. However, I can't promise that. So what I wanted to do on this is do an encapsulation of these Fimos. And I ended up going with my Makartt clear polygel because that's my favorite clear. It's one of the clearest. And I also wanted to see how this slip solution works with other types of polygels. Makartt's clear polygel is extremely sticky. These polygels are slightly sticky, not as sticky as Makartt, but wanted to see how the slip solution worked, and it worked great. So after I fully encapsulated all the nails, I fully cured them. I did some shaping and some filing. I'm going to go ahead and attach the rest of the Fimos and then the cupcake that I picked out. I picked it out because it said love on it. So I'm using rhinestone gel glue. I'm not using the one that came with the kit because I already had this one open by Beetles. So I just attach the things I'm going to attach, and then I place that in the lamp for 60 seconds. And when I do the top coat on these nails, I want to cover the Fimos. The Fimos is kind of like a spongy material, so I know they'll end up getting dirty. So I do want to make sure I fully cover them in top coat. I also did encapsulate 2 of them because I just wanted to see like the difference. I want to see if I can kind of maintain the thinness of a nail with the encapsulation of these. And I know a lot of Fimos, I guess they vary from thickness, but this is honestly, I think this is my first time using them. So I didn't really have a problem with anything, the encapsulation or putting them on top. I actually like it both ways. So let me know which way you guys like it better, encapsulated or just on top, covered in top coat. So if I were doing this on myself, I would kind of like be concerned if the top coat's going to end up peeling off from washing my hands. But this is just a practice set, so I think it'll be okay. So I do like how this design turned out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I did post this on my Instagram before doing my voiceover. So one of my friends was like, oh, this would be perfect for my gender reveal. So her daughter also does nails. I'm going to link her channel below, Nailed by Naya. So she is a teenager, a young teenager. So if you guys do subscribe to her channel, just watch your comments because that's a child, but I'm going to link her YouTube down below. So I'm going to get together her some stuff so that she can do this design for her mom for the gender reveal. So I am excited to see how her set turns out, and I will, if time permits, I'll try and make sure that I do post that on my channel. Anyways, guys, that's about all I have for now. I am going to miss you guys. I am going to miss uploading. Like I said, I'm going to do my very best to still pop in about once a week if time allows. But I will be back as soon as I am moved and settled in. And my plan is when I come back to be uploading once every 2 weeks. So again, and as always, I appreciate you guys spending your time with me. Make sure that you have subscribed to my channel. You give this video a thumbs up. You leave me a comment in the down below. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see everyone again soon for another video.